Okay. Well, I did a test ride with the new exhaust on, and I've still got that crackling on the microphone, so I don't know what's wrong with that. I put the mic underneath the cheek piece inside the helmet, so it should be alright, but it's still crackling. I don't know why. Whether it's the camera or the microphone. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that. I'll have to keep experimenting, find out why it's crackling. But I made a little short video anyway. Yes, the exhaust sounds much better. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. Sorry about that. There's a bird on the roof. Yeah, the exhaust sounds much better, and of course looks much better as well. Yeah. Yes, as I say, I'm quite pleased with it. But I put out a bit of that video anyway. I got the camera angle completely wrong again. Exactly what I did before. Oh dear. I'm learning. I'll get there eventually. Right, see you later. Now this is 3 days after I fitted the exhaust. The reason being, I got shot in the head. Well, no, I didn't get shot in the head, but it looked as if I got shot in the head. Yeah, I'll tell you about that. Yeah, so this is 3 days later. Yeah, as I say, I got hit in the head. I was cutting the hedge, as you do, and left the hedge cutter on top of the hedge while I moved the ladders, and the hedge cutter fell on my head, and yeah, quite a bit of blood, and it did look as if I'd been shot in the head. Yeah. Wait for the sound. There we go. So yes, so let's try this exhaust. See what she sounds like. Oh, I won't go too far. Say it's a bit uncomfortable wearing this helmet. It's a beautiful day. Let's stop here. Oh yes, a little pop. Yeah, a little pop from the exhaust there. Yeah, I think it sounds much better, not too noisy. I'll just stop this for a second. Stop.